morning to all of you. Today I continue types of reactions. In this video I can explain the remaining two types of reactions, that is chemical displacement and chemical double displacement. First I start with chemical displacement reaction. With an example, zinc reacts with copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate and copper. The chemical reaction is zinc symbol Zn, copper sulfate formula CuSO4. So when both these two reacts to form zinc sulfate ZnSO4 and copper symbol Cu. So observe very carefully here. In copper sulfate, Cu is there. This copper place is replaced by zinc. Such type of reactions are called chemical displacement. An atom is replaced by another atom, or an ion is replaced by another ion, is called displacement reaction. When an atom or ion is replaced by another atom or ion is called reaction is called chemical displacement reaction. Here, one of the important point in this type of reactions is which element displaces which element, and same like which element cannot displace which element. So here I give the reactivity series of some elements. In this reactivity series, above the hydrogen are more reactive elements. More reactive elements. Below the hydrogen are less reactive elements. So here copper is below the hydrogen, it is less reactive, and zinc is above the hydrogen, that means it have more reactive. So here more reactive element displaces less reactive elements from its compound. But the less reactive element cannot displaces more reactive element from its compound. So this point is very, very important in chemical displacement. So once again I repeat this point. More reactive element displaces high reactive element. High reactive element from its compound. But more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compounds. But less reactive element cannot displace more reactive element from its compound. point is very important in chemical displacement reaction. Now I go to last and fourth type of chemical reaction, that is chemical double displacement reaction. Then the fourth type and last one is chemical double displacement reaction. It is very easy to know the type of reaction through an example. By taking an example, it is very easy to understand the type of reaction. So that's why for every type of reactions I give first examples. So for this also I give one example. Silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride form sodium nitrate and silver chloride. So chemical reaction for this silver nitrate formula AgNO3 and sodium chloride NaCl. So both these two compounds react to form sodium nitrate. Its formula is NaNO3 and silver chloride formula is AgCl. So look at this, what happens in this reaction. For better understanding, I split the radicals in each reactant. So silver nitrate having silver cation and nitrate anion, and in sodium chloride, sodium cation and chloride anion is there. So here mutual exchange of these anions takes place during the chemical reaction. So in place of sodium nitrate, chloride is there, so AgCl is formed. Like that, in place of nitrate ion, chloride is there. So silver chloride is there. Here in place of chloride, nitrate comes. So sodium nitrate is formed. So in this way, mutual exchange of radicals takes place in this reaction. If nitrate goes to sodium side, chloride goes to silver side. Mutual exchange takes place. So due to this mutual exchange of radicals or ions, the reaction occurs. That type of reaction is called chemical double displacement reaction. When mutual exchange of radicals or ions takes place, then the reaction is called chemical double displacement reaction. We have two types of subtypes in chemical displacement. So So one of that is precipitation reactions and second one is neutralization reactions. Here we represent formation as precipitate by using downward arrow. So before that, I say simply what is a precipitate. A separate solid is formed in liquid, then that separate solid formed in the liquid we called it precipitate. If in a chemical reaction precipitate formation occurs, then that chemical reaction is called precipitation reactions. So one of the type in chemical double displacement is precipitation reactions. Types of double displacement. Reactions. So here double displacement reactions are two types. One is the precipitation reactions. Second one is neutralization. So I already explained what is a precipitation reaction. Once again I repeat it. A separate solid is formed in a liquid. That solid is called precipitation. In a chemical reaction, precipitation is formed. Then that double displacement reactions are called precipitation reactions. So one of the example of double displacement is precipitation. I already give the example also. Look at this. And now I go to explain neutralization. What is neutralization? It is also explained by taking a simple example. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride plus water. Sodium chloride and water. Now I write the chemical reaction for this. Hydrochloric acid formula HCl, sodium hydroxide NaOH, sodium chloride formula NaCl and the product water H2O. So here what happens here, an acid reacts with the base to form salt and water. So such type of reactions are called neutralization reactions. Neutralization reaction means acid reacts with base to form salt and water is called neutralization. Now we observe this neutralization reaction is a double displacement or it is not a double displacement. We check it. For that I write the radicals in these compounds H plus and Cl minus. And in sodium hydroxide, the cation is Na plus and anion is OH minus. Now H plus and OH minus reacts to form water and sodium cation and chloride anion reacts to form NaCl. So very clearly here mutual exchange of radicals takes place. So we called it double displacement. Particularly it is a neutralization reaction. So neutralization reactions are also called chemical double displacement reactions. So this is about types of reactions. Particularly in double displacement, we have two types. One is the precipitation, second one is the neutralization reaction. Total, we have four types of reactions. One is chemical combination, second one decomposition, third one chemical displacement, fourth one chemical double displacement. In all four types of reaction, I can explain subtypes of the type of reactions with simple examples. I hope everyone understand these types of reactions. In my next videos, I give basics in chemistry. It is useful for all type of students, college and school students. Thank you everyone.